up as green. The heck is that? It's a buckle. It's another buckle. Holy crap. It's another buckle. Wow. Dang, look at that thing. What? Look at that. That even, wow. That thing came in so faint. And it, you know what? You could hear both sides of it. I knew that. I was like, man, it sounds like there's two items down there because we go, but it's so deep and so faint. It was coming in between like 81, 84. Today is too sensitive, full tones, baby. Heck yeah. I can get my little carrying case out of here. Stay there, buckle. Heck yeah, man. I think this is the fourth or fifth buckle I've gotten out of this place. Oh, that is awesome. Get that bad boy cleaned up later. That was so cool. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. That was so faint.